Carbide burrs have revolutionized the process of crafting stainless steel jewelry. Known for their remarkable precision, these tools allow artisans to shape, engrave, and detail metal with exceptional accuracy. Their durability ensures consistent performance, even when working with tough materials like stainless steel. This reliability makes carbide burrs a favorite among both professional jewelers and DIY enthusiasts. By enabling intricate designs and smooth finishes, they open up new possibilities for creative expression in jewelry making. Whether you're refining edges or adding decorative patterns, carbide burrs provide the control and versatility needed for high-quality results. Their transformative impact is evident in the growing popularity of custom, handcrafted stainless steel pieces. Stainless steel has become a popular choice for jewelry due to its exceptional durability, resistance to corrosion, and sleek, modern appearance. Its strength allows for intricate designs while maintaining long-lasting beauty, making it ideal for everyday wear. However, working with stainless steel presents unique challenges because of its toughness. Carbide burrs, particularly single-cut and fine burrs, are specially engineered to address these challenges. Their precise cutting edges enable jewelers to shape, engrave, and detail stainless steel with accuracy and control. The fine burrs are especially useful for achieving smooth finishes and delicate patterns, ensuring that each piece of jewelry meets high standards of craftsmanship. This combination of material and tool results in jewelry that is both resilient and artistically refined. When working with stainless steel, establishing a safe and efficient workspace is crucial. Begin by wearing appropriate protective gear, such as safety glasses, gloves, and a dust mask, to shield yourself from sharp edges and airborne particles. Ensure your workspace is well ventilated and free from clutter to minimize accidents. Managing heat is important, as stainless steel can become extremely hot during cutting or grinding. Allow materials to cool before handling and use heat-resistant gloves when necessary. Handle tools with care, following manufacturer guidelines to prevent slips or injuries. After completing your work, inspect the metal for burrs and sharp fragments, removing them with a deburring tool to maintain a safe finish and prevent future hazards. Engraving personalized pendants begins with selecting the right material, such as sterling silver, gold, or stainless steel, ensuring durability and a smooth surface for intricate designs. Next, a template of the desired pattern or text is carefully transferred onto the pendant, using methods like tracing or applying transfer paper to maintain accuracy. With fine carbide burrs mounted on a rotary tool, the engraving process starts, focusing on steady hands and controlled movements to achieve clean lines and detailed features. Varying the pressure and burr size allows for both delicate shading and bold outlines. Throughout the engraving, it's important to periodically check progress and make adjustments as needed. Once the design is complete, the pendant is polished using a soft cloth and appropriate polishing compound, enhancing its shine and removing any debris. The result is a professionally finished, personalized pendant ready to be cherished. To begin texturing stainless steel rings, the surface is thoroughly cleaned to remove any oils or debris that could interfere with the process. Fine burrs are then selected based on the desired pattern, whether it's a subtle brushed effect or a more intricate design. The burrs are carefully guided across the metal, creating consistent grooves and textures that enhance the ring's visual appeal. Special attention is given to the edges, refining them to ensure a smooth and comfortable fit. Once the pattern is complete, the ring is polished to bring out its luster while preserving the tactile quality of the textured surface. The result is a modern ring that combines both style and touch, making it unique and contemporary. Discover the free pendant engraving starter pack, thoughtfully curated to help beginners embark on their jewelry-making journey. This pack includes a selection of downloadable SVG and PDF templates, making it easy to start designing and engraving pendants right away. Each template is crafted to be user-friendly, allowing newcomers to experiment with different shapes and styles without any prior experience. Whether you prefer working digitally or printing your designs, the flexible file formats ensure compatibility with various tools and techniques. With these resources, you can quickly bring your creative ideas to life and personalize your jewelry projects with confidence. Exploring Carbide Burr techniques opens up a world of creative possibilities for jewelry makers. By experimenting with different shapes, textures, and finishes, you can discover unique ways to enhance your stainless steel pieces. Sharing your finished creations online not only showcases your skills, but also connects you with a community of fellow artists and enthusiasts. Each project offers an opportunity to learn, refine your methods, and push the boundaries of your craft. As you continue to work with stainless steel, let curiosity guide you toward new designs and techniques. The journey of jewelry making is filled with innovation and inspiration, so embrace the process and keep creating.